Nice, Andrew.
He is tripping. That was pretty well. He grabbed your jersey. Good job, guys.
Nice movement, guys. Nice, Casey.
Just have it, Casey.
Nice job.
Good. Let's go.
Nice job, guys. Nice.
Drive it.
Yeah.
Good job. Good, Kobe. Kobe, that was your head. Get it out of there. Get it out of there, Kobe. Good, buddy. Nice pass. Make it count. No.
Oh.
Nice. Oh.
Hey.
Major shoulder.
No.
Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah.
Good, Owen.
John's ball. Go, Xavier.
3. Xander got one.
That's right.
Nice ball.
Go, Xavier. Go, Xavier.
It's not even yeah! Nice!
Oh, that's it right there.
Nice!
I'm going to switch. He's exactly right. Oh, Kobe.
Nice! Woo! Nice job, guys.
Nice shot. Stop him, Kobe. I didn't know if you were leaving me. I thought you. Good, Andrew. Nice, Andrew. Nice fight.
Wait, so you guys are going back to the hotel?
Oh, yeah. That's the first time he's been in, right?
Whatever.
What was that? Oh, it's like a...
Get it go!
Oh, rebound.
The best of each team.
I don't know.
That might be why the one for the
Good job, buddy, go! There we go.
go! Good follow, John. Nice job, Xavier.
Listen to Rob.
Wow.
Oh!
Yeah!
Kobe!
Good job, Kobe. Nice kick.
Uh-oh.
Dribble.
Nice.
All right, Casey. Nice kick, Kobe. Good job, Casey.
Good job, Andrew.
Are you allowed to pass it? Good job, Noah.
I think you can do it.
You must be able to. That was pretty. Oh, that's cute pictures. Everybody stand up. Hey, John. Oh! Good job.
going to Ocean City.
I love you, Mom.
Sweet. Funny, funny. Funny, peace out. Don't put your arms up. Put your arms down.
Okay, arms down, everybody, arms down.
There you go.
There you go.
That looks good. Yeah, numerical order. Happy staring at you, baby. Wait. One more.
Go, Barb, go.
Go ahead, Barb.
Everybody go. That was a beach arc. Did I get that? All right, guys.